welcome back to my channel, A Perfect Place to Start. So today's project is a super easy pumpkin wood decor piece that you can do two ways, and I believe anyone can make this project. So I hope you join me today, and I can't wait to see if you recreate this. So let's jump in. This project today is also part of the Heidi Sonboul DIY challenge, so if you haven't checked out her channel, I will link that in the description box below. She has a lot of fun DIYs and she is totally worth checking out. So I picked this unfinished wood pumpkin up at Hobby Lobby. Its original price was $5.99. I did get it for 40% off, so it comes out to be about $3.60. I am going to use both sides of this pumpkin, so I figure that's about $1.80 per side. I really like this pumpkin because it has a stand on the bottom, and so you're able to put it just about anywhere. So to start off, we're going to use the hazelnut chalk paint from Waverly, and we're going to paint the entire front side, and then we're going to go ahead and get in the slats there because we're going to go over this with another color, and I want the darker color to be in those lines. So next we're going to take cashew chalk paint from Waverly, and we're just going to dry brush over the top of the hazelnut color, and I'm just going around in different directions and just trying to cover the whole pumpkin part so I get it to look farmhousey. So once I'm done with the dry brushing, I'm going to take one of these metal signs from the Dollar Tree, and they come in a 3-pack. I'm going to use the one that says thankful for this front side. I used to try to use hot glue to glue these on, but my friend Nadia at DIY with Nadia was using super glue one day, and I tried it out, and that was probably the best tip I could have got, because the super glue is easy to put on this metal sign and it sticks onto your project really well, where the glue, the hot glue, kind of makes a mess. So I'm using the super glue, and I'm just going to go in various parts of the sign, and then I'm going to flip it over and glue it on to the front of my pumpkin. So next we're ready to add a bow, and I'm just going to take one of these pre-made bows that they have at the Dollar Tree. The bottom of my bow is a little bit too long and it's hanging into my words, so I'm just going to take some scissors and I'm going to cut it in that triangle pattern and just make it shorter so you can still see my words. I really wanted to do today's project just to show that anybody can craft. Like, you can go and you can do simple things that are beautiful and give such an elegant look, and they don't have to cost a lot and they don't have to take a lot of time. So everyone can be a crafter. Here's our first look. I think it's adorable. I really love it, and it's very farmhouse. So next we're going to turn this pumpkin over, and we're going to paint it with steel chalk paint from Waverly, and we're just going to cover the entire thing. So the stand of this pumpkin, I did color or paint, I guess, on the brown side. I painted that side brown, and this side I'm going to paint steel, and I did do it halfway, so on the side of it, it is brown on half of it and steel on the other side. And then I'm just taking white Waverly chalk paint and I'm going over the pumpkin just like I did on the other side, and I'm just giving it strokes so it has some dimension. And then I'm going to take the welcome sign from that Dollar Tree pack, and I'm going to do the same steps using the super glue. I'm just going to go randomly around the metal part, and then I'm going to glue it into the middle of this side of the pumpkin.
I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The light that flares
So this side of the sign is ready for a bow, so I'm just taking some ribbon that I had left over from the Dollar Tree and some jute twine, and I just folded it over a few times, and I'm tying the jute in the middle of the ribbon, and then I'm going to cut that and just fluff out the bow.
Autumn comes too soon.
If you didn't want to make a bow for this side, you could totally go to the Dollar Tree and pick out another one of those pre-made bows and attach it to this side of the sign.
Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes.
Since this is a simple, easy DIY today, I did not make a fancy bow. I'm just going to fluff it out a little bit and glue it to my pumpkin. Here's the second side of our sign. If you wanted to, you could make the stem a little bit darker so you can see it up there, but I think this turned out so cute. On one side it says thankful and the other side says welcome, so welcome could be for the entire fall season. If you're someone like me, I like to decorate for fall, then Halloween, then Thanksgiving, so I'm thinking thankful might be a more Thanksgiving side of the sign, but I really love how it turned out, and it was super easy and simple, and anyone could make this craft. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps my channel grow. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider doing that and hitting the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a new video. As always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you next time.